I don't see it. Give me 1 second. There's something wrong with the resolution, so let me adjust that. To do that, you right click on the desktop, go to personalize, and go to display settings, and then just increase your resolution as high as you want. And that's not the highest resolution for this computer right now, but that's because the drivers for the graphics card are not installed yet. I guess Windows Vista did not recognize the drive. Okay, it's supposed to show something at the bottom here that allows you to disable this screen from popping up every time you turn on the computer, but unfortunately it's not showing. So I'm just gonna ignore that and fix that later. So what we want to do is to view my computer details, and I'm gonna click on view computer details and show more details over here. As you can see on the screen here, I don't know if my camera can focus, it says 30 days to activate, and that's because of the way I installed the computer. So it's gonna be bugging you every day to enter a key until you enter one. But in my case, I don't really need the key right now because I'm gonna have to reinstall XP and then run this as an upgrade. Anyway, straight to the point of what I want to see here. Okay, once you're done doing the installation, this is the first screen that pops up, and here it just gives you basic information about the computer and everything that's available to set up. Now the screen can be annoying, so you can always turn it off if you don't need to see this. So you just click that, remove that checkbox. So you want to go to show more details, and here you can get all the information about the computer. Now down here you'll notice it says 30 days to activate, and that's because I'm doing the trial version, as I said before. Okay, so now what we want to do is go to device manager, continue. Now you could turn that off, the thing that pops up every time you click something, and that's under user account settings. It's called user account control. What it does is to prevent you from installing stuff you don't want to do, but it can get annoying because every time you install something it interrupts you. So what you do is go to control panel and user accounts and family safety, and let me see, add or remove user accounts. No, that's not what I want. Prefer to use this in classic view, so I'm just gonna switch to classic view. Alright, user accounts, and right here, turn user account control on or off. You click that, continue, and remove that, and click OK. Now it's not gonna go through until we restart, but I don't want to restart right now, so I'm just gonna select restart later. Alright, now so back to what I was looking at, and here we got to this through device manager. Now if you look here, there's quite a few things that haven't been installed. So for this, to install this devices, you have to go to hp.com, enter your device model, and look for the drivers that are needed. And quite a few of these are the Ethernet card, the Wi-Fi card. The network controller is the Wi-Fi card. The Ethernet card is installed, but there's something wrong with it, so just download the drivers from HP. SM bus controller, I'm not sure exactly what that is. I'm thinking that's probably the memory card reader, or or the chipset, and the unknown device usually will be the because this computer has a Protect Smart, so the unknown device is the HP Protect Smart driver for the hard drive. So, but once you're done installing Vista, you want to go through this and install all the drivers for the computer as needed. But I'm not gonna go through that right now. We're just gonna move on to installing Windows 7. Alright, so we installed Windows Vista. It works perfect. So what we do is restart. And before that, I already put the Windows 7 disk in the computer. So yeah, now just restart the computer. And escape. Okay, that didn't work again. On. So I'm gonna press escape. Oh, why does it do that? I think there's something wrong with my escape key. Escape. Yeah, escape. Okay. One thing I forgot to do is to show how to set it up to boot from the CD drive if you don't want to go through the escape process. So what you do is you go to BIOS setup, and then you scroll down to this will apply to any other computer. So you want to go to system configuration. Yeah, system configuration, scroll down to boot options, and here you could change boot order. So you could use let me see, use F5 or F6 to switch between. So if you want to switch to CD-ROM drive, you press F5 to pull notebook hard drive down. You just select whichever one you want to move up or down, then you press F5 or F6. But I prefer hard drive anytime because I may forget CDs in there, so I just use the other method, regular method of pressing escape. Okay, so press escape and go to F9, boot device options, internal CD-ROM drive, and then work is then press any key to continue, and then the same process. Windows is loading files, just give that some time to run through. Alright, so you get Windows Vista here, and just click next, install now, and let that run through this process. Okay, and you click accept license terms and click next. Okay, here now this is where it's gonna be different. Instead of, you don't select upgrade, what you select is custom install. Now the upgrade option is available because it assumes you want to upgrade Vista, but that's not what we want to do. We want to do a dual boot, so we have to select custom, and then now we're going to select partition 2 because we already used partition 1 to install Vista, so we're going to select partition 2 and click next, and basically